Well, hello you beautiful people. Okay, apricot fruit balls. Oh my god, these are amazing. They're no bake, which I love. And let's get cracking. Alright, first of all, we need dried apricots. And we need 2 cups. Cut them, and you've got to cut them really, really small. Apricots done. Okay, next thing we need is 1 cup of pitted dates cut really small. Now a lot of people aren't keen on dates. They taste awesome in this, but if you don't like them, just go into your store, look at all your dried fruits and go and pick something else that you do like. Alright, so 1 cup really small. Now we need raisins, and we need 1 cup, and we need them all chopped in half. This takes a little while to do all this, but I'm telling you, it's well worth it. Okay, we've got our 3 dried fruits ready to go. So the next thing we need is 1/2 cup, I like to do just a little bit over, of Australian slithered almonds I'm using, mate. But you can use any slithered almonds you want. But yeah, 1/2 cup, but I just overflow it a bit because almonds are yummy. Alright, 3/4 cup of designated coconut. Just see if you can see that, yeah. And we need 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. I think it's 395 gram can. Now we can put it all together. Okay, apricots, raisins, which look like sultanas, dates, yummy almonds, designated coconut, 1 can of condensed milk. Alright, then we stir it in. Man, that smells amazing. It's awesome. Alright, now we put it in the fridge, cover it up, and put it in the fridge for an hour so it gets harder so we can roll them. It's been an hour. Let's do this. Alright, so I get square cake tins, and when we roll them up, I'll put them in there because they don't take too much room up in the fridge, and then you can put them in your airtight containers later. They'll last, I don't know, at least a good week if you keep them in the fridge in airtight containers and just bring them out when you're serving some. Alright, so heaped teaspoons into a bowl. Look at that. Into the coconut. So I'll go about 3/4 cup of coconut in there, maybe not. Just keep adding more if you need it. Once you've got your balls, let's see if you can see that. Yum. Put them in your trays, keep going, do the whole lot like that. Then whack them in the fridge. I'd give them a good couple of hours to set properly, and then after that, yum, go for it. Well, there you have it, my friends. Apricot fruit balls. Mate, they are delicious. Give it a go. You won't be disappointed. See you soon. Bye.